Some gardens grow flowers. Others grow memories.
We haven't been here in so long.
But the gate still remembers us. Look what I found. You made it back.
It waited all this time. Let's clear this off.
Forever my
Favorite adventure.
We used to dream right here.
And some dreams stayed. Ready?
Always. Let's plant one more memory. Even when we forget, this place never does.
And now it's part of us again.
Somewhere in the quiet, a garden waits for you too.